Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today we got fun Olympiad style problem that we are given product of variables AB equals 12, BC equals 18 and CA equals 24. We have to find the value of A plus B plus C. This sounds tricky, but don't worry, we will show you step by step solution of this. So first of all, we will solve this as take the ratio of AB and BC. So AB is divided by BC, we get 12 by 18. Now 12 is divided by 3 and 18 is also divided by 3. So we get 4 by 6. Now 4 is divided by 2 and 6 is also divided by 2. So we get 2 over 3. So this is the simplest form. And here B and B are cancelled out. We get A by B, A by C equals 2 by 3. Now to find the value of A, we will write 2 by 3 C. Now here is the equation CA equals 24. In this equation we will substitute the value of A, that is 2 by 3 C. So we get C into 2 by 3 C equals 24. This implies C square equals 24 multiply 3 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. So this is 36. Now C square equals 36. Now we get C square equals 36, which implies that C equal plus minus 6. Now first case. This is the case 1 in which we have C equal plus 6. When C is plus 6, this implies that A equals 2 by 3 C means 2 by 3 into C is 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So A is 4. A will be 4. Now we have AB equals 12. Substitute the value of A in this equation. So B equals 12 by A. So we get B equals 12 by 4 because A value is 4. So B is 3. Now we will solve case 2. Now in case 2, we have C equals minus 6. So substitute the value of C in this equation. We get A equals 2 by 3, C is minus 6. Which implies that 2 multiply minus 2 is 4. Value of A is minus 4. Now AB equals 12. This implies that B equals 12 by A. So 12 by minus 4, this is minus 3. So value of B will be minus 3. Now we can easily see when all the values are negative, C is negative, A and B is also negative. When C is positive, A and B are also positive. Now when A is 4, B is 3, C is 6, we have to find A plus B plus C. So we write A plus B plus C. This is 4 plus 3 plus 6, 13. Now the other case when A is minus 4, B is minus 3 and C is minus 6. So this implies A plus B plus C minus 4 minus 3 minus 6, that is minus 13. So minus 13 is the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad maths problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.